Welcome to Whole Body Hypnotherapy. I'm Mary Moylan, and today I'm going to introduce you to a model of the mind called the theory of the mind. It's a powerful tool I use with my clients, and we use this in the Harmonize Self retreats. We look at how this model of the mind can allow us to understand that one of the ways we learn in life is through identification. We look at how oftentimes these associations we learned from our past become a program that runs a negative fear response that isn't working for us in our life anymore. And that's a subconscious learned response. And this leads into a conflict now in our life between the conscious and the subconscious mind. And it affects how you feel about yourself, your self-image, just as you were affected when you learned that fear response. So your sense of self-worth and self-image is not where we want it to be, nor where it deserves to be. And it's being influenced by repeated behavior from the past that doesn't serve you in your life now. So this is our work within whole body hypnosis. It's about finding what is important in your life and taking action to do it. And what is your path with heart? And because most things in our life are about creating knowns that are in alignment with what we want, we first have to be able to identify what we want, and then we have to be able to engage that and follow through with it. We also have to create these positive associations to what is unknown, and then the behaviors will drive us into engaging this and being successful with it. So if we have a goal, it's an unknown. So we'll always have some conflicts come up because an unknown is always fear. And so we come across these conflicts, or as we come across them, we can resolve them because you learned them and you can unlearn and learn new responses that create the resolution you're seeking. In this work, you're going to learn how you can feel more connected somatically through the tools you will gain in the retreat. And you'll experience it in the classes. And these are the tools that you can take home with you that will allow you to continue to move forward. We want to create this balance of positive thought, guiding positive directed emotion, moving into behavior, and the physical body being unburdened, and then being open to recognizing our spiritual center and where that guides you, and listening to your intuition. And that is the heart of the Harmonize Self Seminar Series. We understand that our minds can either work for us or against us. That's where we have these things going on in our minds that are triggering these responses in our lives, and these knowns that are causing us to be afraid and have anxiety and overwhelm. And we store that in the body. So we're going to learn in the workshops, classes, and retreats how to regulate our nervous system and how important that is, and how to co-regulate with the others in our lives. How to recognize these responses and how to deal with them both physiologically and neurologically and psychologically and emotionally, and open ourselves up to the spiritual evolution because of it. But we have to learn to approach this internally from a place of heart and love and compassion and understanding about why that conditioning was learned, for example, why that was created, understanding why that was the only thing you could do in that moment to protect yourself. But it just isn't the case in the now. So it can't be about fighting internally or beating ourselves up or feeling bad about ourselves. It's about compassion, acceptance, and understanding. And spiritual connection can help with this. It's from that space that the healing occurs. Don't you all agree with me?